From ordinary corn kernel to this delicious sweet popcorn in just a few minutes. Today, I'm making delicious homemade popcorn from scratch using simple ingredients. I started by measuring 1 cup of corn kernel. After washing them thoroughly, I spread them on a tray and left them under the sun until they were completely dry. This helps the kernels pop better. Next, I placed my frying pan on the gas cooker and added 1/3 cup of groundnut oil, half a tablespoon of margarine, and half a tablespoon of vanilla flavor. I mixed everything together. Then I poured in the dried corn kernels and stirred them well to coat every kernel with the oil mixture. Here is an important tip: spreading the kernel evenly so they touch the surface of the pan. This helps them heat up evenly and pop more efficiently. As soon as the kernel started popping, I counted 1, 2, 3, then covered the pan with a lid. Now comes the exciting part. Listen to that popping sound. Let the popcorn continue popping until the sound slows down and finally stops. Please, if you have watched to this extent, kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you. Once the popping stopped, I removed the pan from the heat and poured the fresh popcorn into a bowl. To finish it up, I added 3½ tablespoons of sugar and mixed everything together until the popcorn was nicely coated. And there you have it, sweet, crunchy homemade popcorn made right on the gas cooker. Perfect for movies night, snacks, or any time you are craving a tasty treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy homemade snacks. Thank you for watching. Bye.